So on that note, that concludes actually session 5. So I've been talking about the industry context, the DLT project context, the challenge that were brought by those first DLT implementation. And then I described how the KSTP-led SL chain case study is designed to solve, here in the Baltics, but potentially anywhere around the world, all of those challenges that we have with a DLT supply chain. And that concludes session 5. That concludes also those 5 modules that we just went through today, and of course with in previous modules. So let me recap quickly what those modules were, right? So with module 1, as you remember, we explored DLT and blockchain technology. We understood what that technology was all about, how it worked, and what type of DLT ecosystems and smart contract we could create and derive from that particular technology. We looked in module 2 at the many use cases. There's hundreds of them. We looked at 30 of them across 10 categories, but you saw there how DLT is changing the way we think about information management on a paradigm shift type of level. In module 3, we looked at 2 additional technology, artificial intelligence and IoT, Internet of Things. We explored the concept underpinning those technology. We looked in module 4 about the organic convergences between all of those technology, and we looked also into the future with quantum computing. Finally, in module 5, we brought those technology in the context of ports and supply chain and logistics, and we dived into some of the challenges which were faced with those first DLT supply chain project, and how the SL chain project, which is being developed here in Klaipėda, and which will be live in 2020, operational in 2021, will basically provide an operational platform opportunity for any port in the Baltics and around the world. So on that note, I thank you. I hope you enjoyed that course, and I look forward to interact with some of you if you have any questions. I'm sure you will find my details in the comments of that particular course. Thank you.